In other stories, golfers and business leaders teed off with the sold-out 7i Charity Golf Invitational at Soweto Country Club. Players tackled all 18 holes using only a 7-iron and a putter in a unique test of skill and creativity. Hosted by Tshepo Phakathi and Titimba, the event raised 300,000 rand for community initiatives including Takalani Home for People with Disabilities and Nanga Vuchilo.
I7i Charity Golf Invitational iqhube ngempumelelo eSoweto Country Club nalapho abadlali begaluvo beqhubisana kumdlalo we-18 holes besebenzisa i-iron nephatha kuphela. Lo msitho wesisa busindlekwe nguTshepo Phakathi kunye noTitimba kwaye uye wadibanisa usomashishini kunye nabathandi begaluva ngenjongo zokuphumeza umba wosuku. Bekonwatyiwe inglowu nalowo evavanya isakhono sakhe logama kunyuswa ingxowa-mali ngenjongo zokuxhasa ekuhlaleni.
So what inspired this event was two friends celebrating their birthdays, and we thought let's find a charitable way of celebrating both our birthdays, and we created the 7i Charity Golf Invitational. And because the Puma Ekasi Soweto Sonke, we decided to bring it here at the Soweto Country Club. So we've identified two charities like Soweto, Takalani Home for Disabled People at Diepkloof, and the Nanga Vuchilo Home for Children Emoroka. So both charities are going to benefit from the proceeds of today's golf day.
I think it makes you a more sophisticated golfer to be able to play the 7-iron for a full 18 holes in every possible position. So you're teeing off with your 7-iron, you're hitting it on the fairway, you're hitting it in the rough, you're hitting it in the bunkers, you're hitting it 20 meters, 60 meters, 150 meters. That makes you a much more sophisticated golfer, so it improves your level of golf and skill. I think the most important thing to do on your birthday, for me certainly, is to reflect. Reflect on what life has given me and think about how other people are less privileged than I am and perhaps how I could contribute to making their lives slightly easier or slightly better.
I think we play a big role in shaping communities from grassroots to foundational stages. So this is a no-brainer for us to be part of it. We're part of the community, and I think our brand is quite strong and prevalent in the various communities that we serve. And our primary role is making sure that we provide access to finance and banking solutions that are meaningful to communities. So this is a place that we really want to thrive, and making sure that we serve these communities in the best way we know how.
Imali eyenziwe kule tumente eza kuxhasa iTakalani Home of People with Disabilities kunye nenkqubo yeNanga Vuchilo. Abaququzeleli balo msitho babhengezile ukuba i-300,000 abathe banako ukuyiqokelela kwaye iza kuya ngqo kwabo bafanelekileyo. Ndinguthama ngayo iindaba zemidlalo kwiSoweto TV.